Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and wish you a very happy new year to all of you. So in this video today, I'm making some easy craft using only popsicle sticks. You can easily make them when you have some time to kill. So let's start with the video. And before that, do follow me on my social media, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. These sticks are easily available on any craft store or stationery store. At first, I am making a stand for my earrings. For that, make a leather-like structure with the help of these ice cream sticks. Stick them together with the help of a favicol or a glue gun. Paint it with your favorite color. I am using chalk colors here. Now attach two sticks on a slanting way. It will look something like this. It looks beautiful and very affordable. For the second one, I'm making a photo frame. Arrange some sticks together. I am arranging them in a zigzag line. You can also choose not to and make it in a straight line. Also knead two sticks horizontally and cut the tips off. Now glue them together. Now also stick two pieces on the top like so. There will be a little gap left so that you can slide the photo from there. Now color the whole frame. Decorate a little bit. Just place two double-sided tape on the back and stick it anywhere on the wall. Looks really cute. For the third one, arrange 5 to 6 sticks. Leave some gap in between every stick. Now attach 4 to 5 sticks like so and let them dry. It will look something like this. Now attach one more layer like the first one. I am using the metallic golden fabric color to color it. it can be your perfect coaster for the evening or maybe a stand for your indoor plant. For the last one, I printed out this graphic art. You have to cut some sticks according to the line on the printout. The measurement should be perfect. Then glue them together. This can be a little bit tricky and it may also cost some of your time, but when you finish it, it looks really satisfying. After you're done joining the sticks, let them dry for overnight and it will look something like this, really beautiful. Now I'm painting black to this bird. You can also choose not to. How it will look on your wall. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching my video.